थोड़ी सी डोर ले, थोड़ा नाप ले, थोड़ा बांध ले तंग तेरे सपनों के। थोड़ी सी जब हो हवा, थोड़ी तेरी चले, थोड़ा छोड़ के फिर खुद की किस्मत काबू में कर ले। तेरी हवा में जब आएगा कोई, तुझको जो बहकाना चाहेगा कोई, थोड़ी सी ढील दे के आने दे उसको, 2 पल में कटवा के रोएगा वो ही। उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे, दिल की पतंग उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे। ले तेरा आसमां देख ले, तेरी हवा चलाई है तूने। तेरा आसमां देख ले, तेरी जगह बनाई है तूने। उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे, दिल की पतंग उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे, दिल की पतंग उड़ने दे। देख ले जहां तेरा रंगीन है, पर जान ले ये धागा तेरा महीन है। फिक्र करने को रात है पड़ी, सुबह आते ही अपनी आरज़ू। उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे, दिल की पतंग उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे, दिल की पतंग उड़ने दे।
10 मिनट में 30 सेकंड।
आकाश में हम उड़ चले हैं, अंतरिक्ष को अब छूने निकले हैं। सितारों के पार रोशनी के साथ, भारत के युवा का हमने थामा है हाथ। वेदों से हमने शिक्षा है पाई, प्राचीन भारत ने है राह दिखाई। आर्यभट्ट ने सुरती समझाई, खगोल शास्त्र की जलोत जलाई। असंभव को पीछे छोड़ चले, हर सीमा को हम अब तोड़ चले। अंतरिक्ष में भारत का परचम लहराने, चल पड़े हैं हम नई दुनिया बसाने। वो विश्वास जगाया, चंद्रयान ने सामर्थ्य दिखलाया। हर मिशन से हम सीखेंगे, गगनयान से अंतरिक्ष जीतेंगे। आज बनाए एक भारत नया, तकनीक से होगा हर सपना सजा। इस धरती से आगे है गगन या पार, सौर मंडल भी हमने नापा है। कल भेदेंगे आकाश गंगा विशाल। असंभव को पीछे छोड़ चले, हर सीमा को हम अब तोड़ चले। अंतरिक्ष में भारत का परचम हम लहराने, चल पड़े हैं हम नई दुनिया बसाने। असा चल तू करें आज ब्रह्मांड के रहस्य सुलझाएंगे मेरे इनिया की ताकत दिखाएंगे भारत को फिर से विश्व घुमाएंगे हम अंतरिक्ष वीर हैं हाँ हम अंतरिक्ष वीर कहलाएंगे कहलाएंगे यहाँ आइडियाज को मिले आकार हम हैं अंतरिक्ष सोसाइटी हर संकल्प करेंगे साकार हर संकल्प करेंगे साकार
हमको पीछे छोड़ चले हर सीमा को हम अब तोड़ चले अंतरिक्ष में भारत का परचम लहराने चल पड़े हैं हम नई दुनिया बसाने कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू देंगे वही सलामियाँ दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ करके दिखा कमाल वो आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां शाबाशियाँ 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 शाबाशियाँ
Very warm welcome to all of you present here. Today we have all gathered here to celebrate a day that inspires curiosity, innovation and dreams that reach beyond the sky, National Space Day.
National Space Day reminds us to humankind's journey to explore unknown, from the first step on the moon to the latest mission to Mars and beyond.
It's time to test how much of a space scientist you are. Yes, we are going to have a fun quiz round. Please welcome Brady. Good morning everyone. On the occasion of national questions, my first question is, what is the launch date for Chandrayaan 3 mission? Yes, the correct answer is 14 July 2023. Second question, which space agency assisted Indian Space Research Organization in certain aspects of the Chandrayaan 3 mission?
Louder.
I repeat my question. Which space agency assisted ISRO in certain aspects of Chandrayaan 3 mission? The correct answer is ESA, European Space Agency. My third question is, what is the name of Chandrayaan 2 lander? Yes, the correct answer is Vikram lander. Fourth question, who became the first Indian space tourist to travel to the International Space Station? Shubhanshu Shukla. Yes, the correct answer is Shubhanshu What is the average orbital altitude of the International Space Station above the Earth's surface? 400 kilometers. Yes, the correct answer is 400 kilometers.
Today we are celebrating National Space Day, which is celebrated on August 23rd since last year to honor the success of Chandrayaan 3. When in 2023 India became the first country to land near the moon's south pole. The Chandrayaan 3 mission was launched on 14 July 2023 by the powerful Albion 3 rocket from Sriharikota. After a journey of more than a month on 23 August 2023 at 6 to explore lunar surface, studying rocks and soil and sending back valuable data, that historic movement made the whole world look at India with respect. Since then, ISRO has achieved even more. The Aditya L1 is studying the sun, the ExpoSat satellite is exploring black holes, and with NASA, India has launched NISAR to monitor Earth. We are also proud to say that India is not just reaching for the sky but also making its mark in the space. This is proven by Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla. In 2025, June 2025, he flew on Axiom Mission 4 and became the first Indian to do over 60 experiments there, and brought back knowledge that will help India's future Gaganyaan mission. When he returned, he gifted our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi mission badge and an Indian flag that had flown there.
Good morning everyone. Here are some facts about Chandrayaan 3 and Sudhanshu Shukla. Facts about Chandrayaan 3. First, Chandrayaan 3 successfully landing marked India as the fourth country to land on the moon and the first to land near the lunar south pole. Second, Chandrayaan 3 was accomplished with a budget of approximately 650 crores, significantly lower than many Hollywood movies. Third, Chandrayaan 3 consists of Earth-centric phase, the lunar transfer phase, and the moon-centric phase, each crucial for the mission success. Fourth, the Vikram lander weighed around 1,749.89 kg, including 26 Pragyan rovers. Now, facts about Sudhanshu Shukla. First, as a pilot of Axiom Mission 4, Shukla became the first Indian astronaut to visit the International Space Station in over 4 decades. He conducted scientific experiments and showcased Indian rich culture heritage by practicing yoga. Second, Shukla underwent vigorous training at Russia and Bengaluru's astronaut training facility. He was selected as one of 4 astronaut designees for India's Gaganyaan mission and working with ISRO. Third, Shukla has accomplished over 2,000 hours of flight experience across various aircraft including Su-30, MKI, MiG-21 and MiG-29. Fourth, he spent 80 days on International Space Station conducting scientific experiments and collaborating with international astronauts. Thank you.
Very good morning everyone. So, we are here to celebrate National Space Day, and you know why 23rd August is celebrated as National Space Day? Yes? Raise your hand. Anyone? Yes. Exactly. So, next slide please. So, we are celebrating 23rd August 2025 this year as a National Space Day. And it is because of the huge success that we have gathered from Chandrayaan 3 mission. Next slide please. Exactly. So he's named as the father of the Indian astronomy. And the second one is the APJ Abdul Kalam. Who is he? Yes? Exactly. Designed by the India. So for the short, there are the 3 rockets of the ISRO mainly, and the PSLV, that is the small satellite capability. So it is used to just deliver the satellite to the lower orbiters. Next is the GSLV, that is used to carry the heavy satellites. Next is LVM, that is used to carry the more heavier satellites and depart them to the orbits. Next slide, please. Alright, so ISRO has successfully right now completed lots of missions, and prominent are the Chandrayaan 1, Mangalyaan, and Chandrayaan 3 that all we are well aware of. Next please. Alright, so recently Gaganyaan mission has been in progress, and the key features that we are sending the first human space flight missions. Among the demonstration, the country's capability to send space flight capabilities and gather initial data. Next slide. Alright, so this is going to be the one of the missions of ISRO, and we are sending semi-human robot. Like it is a robot and one part of the human that will be designing for our astronauts for determining the conditions and the capabilities of that particular orbit or the spaces. Next slide. Alright, so currently this is the roadmap of the ISRO missions that is well proclaimed that we will be designing our Indian space station by 2037. It's not expected. Alright, so thank you for listening to me. Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
आसमान को चीरते हुए अपनी नया दहाड़ से चारों ओर कंपन उत्पन्न कर रहा है, इसे हम यहाँ महसूस कर सकते हैं, और यही दहाड़ है जो वैज्ञानिकों को रोमांचित करती है।
Every second going through the condition of 204.5 tons extra. Those 2 tons of propellant each second.
As coordinates the bond boosters का प्रज्वलन का 36 सेकंड का है, और अभी भी घोषणा की गई एलिमेंट है। चंद्रमा की सतह पर अपना छाप छोड़ने के लिए चंद्रयान 3 अपने मिशन को पूरा करने निकल चुका है।
Earth's storable liquid waters UH-25 and N2O4. Now the S2 orbits have been separated.
घटनाक्रम के अनुसार यह यान इस यान से S400 स्ट्रमन बूस्टर्स को सफलतापूर्वक पृथक कर दिया गया है। यह काम सेपरेशन मोटर्स की मदद से किया जाता है। इसके बाद L10 तरल नोजल पर आधारित और विकास इंजन के साथ यह चरण सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ अपनी उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर बढ़ रहा है।
That's a piece of really good news that the third stage has
इसके प्रज्वलन के साथ ही तारे की गड़गड़ाहट से उड़ चुका है मिशन नियंत्रण कक्ष। तृतीय चरण C25 वर्तमान में प्रणव उत्पन्न कर रहा है। पूर्णतः सामान्य सभी तंत्र पूर्णतः सामान्य है।
180 kilonewtons thrust in vacuum is what the stage develops with its 28.6 tons propellant combination of liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. Present
performance normal. तृतीय और यह अंतिम चरण है इस यान का C25। यह ग्रहणंदन पर आधारित चरण है जिसमें लिक्विड हाइड्रोजन लिक्विड ऑक्सीजन का इस्तेमाल होता है। इसमें कुल 28 इस टन का क्राइम ईंधन पूरी सुरक्षा तथा सावधानी के साथ भरा जाता है। इस चरण में 186 किलोन्यूटन का प्रणोद उत्पन्न होता है और यह करीब 640 सेकंड तक प्रज्वलित है। अल्फा पार्टिकल एक्सरे स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोप इसका इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है। एक बहुत ही दिलचस्प वैज्ञानिक निर्धार है शेप स्पेक्ट्रोपोलरिमेट्री ऑफ हैबिटेबल प्लैनेट अर्थ, जो कि चंद्रमा से पृथ्वी से परावर्तित नियर इंफ्रारेड किरणों का विश्लेषण दूसरे जीवन सहायक ग्रहों को खोजने में मदद करेगा। चंद्रयान 3 को प्रमोशन की कक्षा प्राप्त कर ली गई है। चंद्रयान 3 को सफलतापूर्वक प्रक्षेपित कर दिया गया है इलेक्ट्रिकल पार्किंग ऑर्बिट पर।
Chandrayaan 3 has attained a major milestone successfully.
National Space Day, and why it is National Space Day? Successful mission that was Chandrayaan 3 in 2023, right? And recently we have one great success for our country also. Do you know what is that? Sudhanshu Shukla, as you have seen here. Now who is Sudhanshu Shukla? Who is Sudhanshu Shukla? Indian astronaut or he is posted in Air Force. Good. So simply you can say that a fighter jet, right? So as a pilot, because that's why he has been selected for this mission, right? And you know the future mission of India is Gaganyaan, right? We are going to send this, so there may be the possibilities of this Sudhanshu Shukla that they will selected for this one, right? Now you have enjoyed the separation of Chandrayaan 3. Do you know this one? What is the name of this? What is this? Tell me. I think it is already available here. You can see this one. So this is what? Tell me. This is lander. What do you mean by lander? Means this lander has one rover inside it, right? So as I show you here, now this one is the lander, right? And what is the name of this lander? Vikram. And inside there is rover. What is the name of this rover? Pragyan. So when this lander land on the surface of the moon, this rover will come out like this way. Okay, you can see here. So this is what? This is rover, and it is moving on the surface of the moon. And what is that point? What is the name of that point? Shiv Shakti point. Now why this mission has taken in 2023? What is the importance of this mission? What is the requirement of this mission? Tell me. Do you know this rover has special camera, right? And it is filled with X-ray spectroscopy, right? And do you know this rover study about the surface of the moon, their climatic conditions, what is their possibilities of life or not? Means it is at the south point. So India has achieved a great success by launching this Chandrayaan 3 on the southern point of moon.
Dear Professor and lovely students, I standing before you to express vote of thanks. So first of all, I would like to thank the guide teacher Manoj sir, Abhishek sir, and the news writer Khushbu Madam, because who is making the efforts of the competent guide teacher. As Manoj sir has given a lot of information about space and the great scientists of our India. One very important name he has, Amir Baba. When our country India became independent and Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru went abroad to seek help from the foreigner scientists, and when he made consultation with the foreigners, all those scientists told him that they all were working under the leadership of one Indian scientist, and he was Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. It was the case of brain drain. Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha did not get all the facilities in his own country. That's why he shifted there. Then after Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru made him and requested him, very soon he accepted the invitation and he came to India. But unfortunately he died in a plane crash. And many more scientists are there. We have to continue this tradition. India has always been a land of talented persons, and so far as space is concerned, things have already been mentioned in our Vedas. What the today scientists are discovering, it has already been discovered. If you go through the Indian scriptures, you will find a lot of things. Even ISRO is surprised to find what they have achieved after investing a lot of money, and it is already available in Indian scriptures. And that's why Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan said, when he was asked once, tell me something about the philosophy of India, there he said, well, where your science ends, my philosophy begins. All those philosophers, writers, they all have mentioned about all these things. The separation of moon from the earth. Moon was also the part of the earth. Later on it was separated. And now the discoverers are there, inventors are there, to create the scientific curiosity among the students. This program is there. You must try to be curious about the universe. A lot of things are there to discover and invent. Thanks a lot to all those students who participated actively in this program. And how can I forget to thank all the listeners who observed the program very peacefully and politely. They are sitting like an obedient audience, and I think they have learned a lot of things through this program. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
थोड़ी सी नींद के आने दे उसको, दो पल में कटवा के रोएगा वही। उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने दे, दिल की पतंग उड़ने दे उड़ने दे उड़ने